Hello again. So today's video is just a journal slash chat with me. I really enjoy journaling on my new little table setup that I have, and I showed you in the previous video. And one of my favorite things to do is use my typewriter to type out some pages, and then I can paste it into the journal and it gives me more space. But I've been really enjoying the pocket-sized journal, and I'm already halfway through, and so I'm excited to finish it up and choose another color notebook. But until then, I've just been journaling, and like I said, I love the layering and collage style that a typewriter allows me to do. And I've always wanted a typewriter, and now I have 3. I never thought that would happen. And after purchasing my first one in person, it definitely gave me the confidence to purchase a typewriter online. As you can see, I always have visitors when I'm doing something in the living room. This is Eve. You rarely see her because she's very skittish. But that's why I like to journal sometimes in the living room, just so I can spend time with them. And then they do cute little funny things that I can capture on camera. That's always fun. Another thing that I really enjoy about using a typewriter is that it's just another way to write down my thoughts, or in this case, type out my thoughts, and it's been a lot of fun. I, of course, love using my fountain pens and seeing my handwriting improve as time goes on, but there are days where I just want to type out things, and I'm still learning on how to type on a typewriter, and then sometimes my hands want to type faster based off of like how I used to type on a laptop or a computer, and typewriters don't really allow that for the most part. I will leave you to the music. I hope you enjoy this montage journal with me, and I hope you can get some journaling done as well, and I will catch you in the next one.